I did tell Tom before we arrived that we were going to be focusing on bolotti bean, but they didn't arrive.
No,
so this is a brand new recipe, yeah?
So this is going to be a couple hours old. You stitched me up really nicely. But, you know, cooking I think is all about
being stitched up.
Stitched up, making on a spot, and I think that's what
you like to do, right?
I just love that to do, yeah. So now in front of everyone, if I mess up, don't judge Basley, it's Charlie's fault. The beautiful artichoke is going to be like a star product on a plate, and then like a little garnish is going to be broad beans.
So you're treating the artichoke like it's your protein for the dish?
Yes, because when you're plating, you've got a focal point in the middle. I'm excited to freestyle it and make it amazing.
Yeah, you look really excited.
Yes,
The famous Roma Mammo artichoke out of Italy. Every restaurant loves these. Yeah. It's huge.
Because the thing is, it's so beautiful to prep them. People at home, they cook the leaves and then after that they dip them in the sauces. Yep. But in a professional kitchen, it's not really doing this way. I'm sure there's a reason why they got a beautiful fluffy jacket, no?
Yeah, I'm sure there is.
Yeah? What is the reason?
Thank you for that. It is like every fruit or vegetable, is to protect the seed on the inside.
Here we go. If you really need to, you can buy frozen ones.
Well, it's one of the products that freezes really well. If they get it straight out of the pod, it holds that flavour quite well. Yeah.
So we're going to do the chefy step. We're going to put them after this as well.
Which I would never do.
Yeah, but I really don't like the skin and everything. Is not. There's no finesse with that, no? So these ones, they're a little bit softer than a normal spiky, the big lobe artichoke.
Yep.
So their heart is a little bit smaller, so they're going to cook quicker than a normal one. So we're going to do a simple way today. We're going to braise it in a pan with a little bit of water, thyme, garlic. Normally, we just prep some, we take some outer leaves first. They protect the whole heart, loses quickly the color, it oxidizes. So we'll put some lemon in the water. We'll cut in here. So with the baby artichokes, you know, we keep the stalks and we can put nice and baby. These ones.
The stalks too woody.
Yes. You go like this around. Then,
like watching the artichokes being prepped.
The most important, we take all the spikes out. And then it's not nice to have them in a plate.
You're just protecting the color of that.
Yeah. Just do that and just leave in the water. You know, when you do the trial somewhere in the restaurant, they come and they give you some box and they're like, okay, chef, make it something for me.
Is that how it works?
It used to be like this. We can take a Samazano or the other tomato and just blanch them as well and chop it in as well. Yeah. So that's the proper freestyle one. So we're going to do that.
Happened on the fly, yeah?
Yes. We're going to do a little bit.
It's a saucing soup in tomato. Really.
Yeah, because they're juicy, you know, they're nice and sweet.
But they're the original plum tomatoes. So
are they?
Yeah, this is how they all used to be.
Oh.
So
but then why did they become brown?
Cross-pollinated. The Dutch
the
got hold of them, pumped it full of water, made it look pretty.
There we go.
Oh, look at that. They look quite happy in there.
Yeah, they're quite happy. But it's not too long because you're going to cook them. So super nice and fresh. Pop out. Yeah, so you can feel it.
Jesus, is it not hot?
A couple more seconds. Yes. So then the nicest thing is you just like cut a little bit.
And then pop it.
Then pop. Ready. So. Oh, we forgot to blanch tomatoes, sir.
That's right.
So we'll
take it back out the recipe, yeah?
No. What can do?
Put it back in the recipe.
So kind of the skin is off, okay?
And why are you taking the skin off?
The skin doesn't cook nicely. You need a really long time to cook it.
I mean, as a greengrocer, I'll eat the skin all day long.
Yeah? Okay, I'll leave it for you for this time. I'll do like this then for you. In the kitchen, we're not braising normally. We put in a vacuum pan with a bit of olive oil, thyme, garlic inside, and then we put in a steamer.
Yeah, are you using that equipment just to make sure it's always exactly the same every single time?
Yes, every single guest needs to get exactly the same one. We're gonna heat up the pan, not too hot. We're gonna put some olive oil, put a bit of a shallot, garlic and thyme. So now again, we're just releasing the stuff. So the oil becomes nice and flavorful. We can put...
Right. I love the smell of garlic.
We can put the artichoke inside. So?
I'm glad my job is the bean. So why fry them first, the artichokes in particular?
It's the flavor, it's the getting the heat quicker and everything.
Do you want to put a little bit of a char on the outside?
Yes.
Yeah. Waste not, want not, chef.
No waste.
Little broad bean flavour in there.
Yes. We can put lemon peel if you really want inside as well, because we got it.
And what does that do?
That's going to give you like a little aromatic flavor. Put that in. So yeah, bring that to the boil. So we've got the aromat inside, so it's already flavoured water.
So this one again from our friends at Gastronomica, phenomenal Italian produce. In Borough Market, our next door neighbours. What on earth am I doing with it?
Let's see, you're trying to. So I'll give you to try some. It's intense and spicy. You see how it's coming? So we're not going to go crazy. Let's reduce a little bit. So it's nice to keep it like this so all the steam stays inside. So it's kind of cooks under the pressure. Take the skin off. You will see in the end it's going to be like almost like a mince. Yeah. Because all the fat going to render down. Yeah. So this is kind of going to be your sauce. Obviously when you handle it already, so you can see how how it is, but then, yeah, just spike with a knife, and if it goes like a potato till the end, how is it? You still got the resistance
A
inside?
little bit of resistance,
So we
yeah,
can
be
cook.
like al dente.
So what we can do, if it's already there, close the lid,
Yeah.
or like bring it to the boil quickly, like to wrap it, and we can move on the side. So then by the time we do the sauce and everything, it can be, you know, it can finish cooking itself. It's just chilling now in a hot bath. So we can make a little croutons. So let's dice it up. You can go chunky as you want.
Stop looking at me, Jeff.
Some salt. The cool thing is about Nduja sausage because there's so much fat inside. You know, we're gonna put garlic, shallots.
That'll be flavouring it.
Yes. So yeah, this one on a very slow heat, so all the oil comes out. Yes.
out.
So if something is cooking, then you turn around, you do something else. You know, it's like you're constantly on something. It's not like you're cooking something and you go and read a book or scroll on a phone. You know, it's not gonna happen.
But you got two modes, haven't you? You got all the prep that happens
Yes.
throughout the day, then you got service.
Wow, that's brilliant. You spend all the morning or afternoon just prepping stuff. You know, everything is in the containers, in the fridges and stuff like this, ready to go. So then the ticket comes on, you put a pan on, you take your artichoke, you warm up.
You seem calmer now, Chef. We're all
Yeah, I'm already in the mode. of
You're in-
cooking, yes.
in the flow
Before I was
state, yeah.
already stressing out. Oh no, in front of everyone.
Using the fat from the sausage to cook. I love that.
But this is the back in the day, how it used to be
Traditional,
everything.
yeah.
No,
Yeah,
traditional. We can take some black cabbage after this. We can chiffon out. We put inside as well, so a little greediness.
You want me to wash it?
Yeah, I would say so.
Okay, I'll be back.
While Charlie's out of the studio, we're gonna do some tricky bits here. No, what we're gonna do now is like, if you can see, the onions look soft. So what we do is, I'm just literally gonna add the tomato inside. So now you can hear all the water of tomatoes coming out. But at home,
Was you trying to get stuff done while I was gone, yeah?
we've done it.
I'm glad you picked this one because this is one of my favourite black cabbages all year round.
Really?
When it's this young and this fine,
Go for it.
this is not normal.
So now we can increase a little bit of heat. Tomato gonna be softer. What we can do, we can add a little bit of water.
Why add the water, Tom?
So we're gonna cook a tomato. So the water gonna evaporate anyway. So it's
Yeah.
gonna cook the sausage. You know, it's gonna cook the more shallots. But then tomatoes actually, because you can see, you know, we didn't peel the skins. The skins
Yeah.
just start coming off.
Oh, you're moaning about the skins? 'cause
I'm
I
moaning
said
about the skins,
yeah?
but I forgot about it. Yeah, I didn't blanch them.
Okay, you're
So I'll
taking
take on it,
accountability,
yes.
yeah?
We're gonna add a little bit. So look, it's gonna get saucy.
Oh, nice. What would you call that sauce then, Tom? So we're going to have to come up with a name.
And spicy tomato and Nduja sauce.
Oh, it's creative.
Yes.
It's creative.
So you see tomatoes are kind of disappearing already.
Yeah.
And the skins are floating up top.
Yeah. I love that.
Yeah.
That's great.
Nice.
Keep the skins in.
Yeah,
This
but
is not.
that is becoming amazing, you know? What we're gonna do in a second, we're gonna take a couple more spoons, we're gonna try it, we see what we're missing, you know?
Yeah.
So for example, the tomatoes, when they're so young, they were nice and ripe, you know, so they might be sweet.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll need some vinegar inside,
Yeah.
you know?
I think a bit of vinegar.
Vinegar?
No?
Yeah,
It's got a sweetness.
and it's got a nice spiciness coming.
There's a kick. That's for sure.
So look, a little bit of red wine vinegar.
Definitely a kick. Yeah.
Yeah, I told you. But it's beautiful. Look, we've got this
I
to
can't
absorb the
stand the
flavor.
skins in there though, Chef.
No?
Why have you kept them in?
I'm sorry, I
It's not
messed
very
it up.
professional, is it?
No, it's not. See how
Yeah.
softer they are.
Yeah. And would you test them again at this stage? or-
Yeah,
I know you
can,
know that.
they're
it's
already
good,
done, but you can, you know.
But yeah, so
they
it's
went
much,
through.
yeah,
Yeah,
straight through.
This one is nearly done, so we can add this inside. Shall
Right
we
now?
add some wild garlic inside?
You like the wild garlic? Why
I
not?
love the
Let's-
wild
let's-
garlic.
Can I pop this in now? Chef?
Yeah, go in. So what we can do with the wild garlic,
Yeah.
we can chiffon that again.
Chiffonade that as well, yeah?
Wow, I can't believe we played.
Why? You know it's going
quick,
to come
yeah?
together, yeah?
I thought it's going to be like, oh my God, I'm going to mess up on the camera. So a little bit of salt,
A little bit of salt, I can do
a
that.
little bit of olive oil,
Yep.
and a little dash of vinegar inside.
Salt.
No.
More?
No, you're going to eat that. If you put too much, it's too
Yeah,
salty.
tell me whether it's too much.
No,
or
I
too
can't
little.
stop you. You need to feel it. It's enough.
So it is enough.
It's enough. It's enough. A bit more. A bit more. Yeah, lovely.
Yeah?
Mix it up.
Yes, chef.
So you're going to replicate me or you do your own? Or we should be like backwards?
No, I'm going to come. You're going to teach me.
Okay. go for it.
No way.
Soak up a little bit.
And then some crunchy ones on the top as well.
Crunchy ones on the top.
When you're creating a dish like this visually,
Yeah.
what are you kind of thinking? Are you just freestyling to begin with? Or?
To be fair, most of the time I see the vision first. I see the centerpiece, so what's going to
Yeah.
be that? You know, is a piece of meat or is something. So there we go, beautiful
Kind of
artichoke.
work out.
Yeah,
from
you
that.
know, you can easily do some puree around,
Yeah,
for
yeah.
example. One or two inside,
Okay, yeah.
then cover on top. Then we put a couple around.
And you wouldn't put anything like around this, you would just build it up on top. Eh?
Look, it falls down
It falls,
naturally.
yeah.
This is beautiful, you know. And then here they're already sitting in olive oil.
Yeah.
And the juice and the garlic is beautiful.
That smells delicious.
Yes.
Oh, fancy. Look at the colours, chef.
Here you go.
Yes.
Then you got the dressing here as well, so not too loose. You go around a bit. And this is our freestyle artichoke and Nduja sausage and a beautiful broad bean salsa with the wild garlic.
Look at that. It's my favourite time. Eh? We get to try this. Yeah?
I think you quite enjoyed it when we plated it.
I did
I
enjoy
was
it.
just So look, artichoke is beautiful.
Oh, that's good. That is beautiful. Artichoke cooked to perfection, chef.
I think it's beautiful.
I love that mixture you've done with the sausage and the, well, what do we put in there? Garlic, shallots.
Garlic shallots, yeah. Tomato, that's it. As simple as this.
So good.
A bit of salt.
Charlie, I've been buying flowers recently and I've just been so disappointed that once they start getting old, I just have to throw them away. I don't know if you've got any suggestions for me.
Funny that you asked that question, Johnny. So what we're trying to do is fix that very problem. This one is our May bouquet, so it's got these lovely shoots of spring coming through. And then what you can do with it is
We
what
just
Tom's
showed
just
it.
shown us. Yeah.
I truly believe it's an amazing product.
And you're going to teach us how to freestyle a recipe.
I was
love that.
shaking at the start, but later it's okay, you know.